Okay guys, we're going to do a demonstration today of the network audio bridge. What we have here is we have an audio source, which is AM FM radio. I'm going into a sound blaster sound card into the PC here, and I'm using on the PC the SX virtual link and a connection between the two sound cards, and I'm going over to another sound card over here that's on a USB server, and that USB server is connected through a network connection back to the PC. So this sound card is attached to the PC like it's plugged directly in, and we're just sending sound from the output of that sound card into the headphones. So that's the setup's really simple, and as you can see, I'm using 600 ohm 1-to-1 isolation transformers just to get the levels right and quit the buzz. So alright, I'll switch to the drawing and show you how it's put together. Stand by. Okay guys, today's video is going to be about a simple network VF audio bridge. It's making use of two different sound cards connected to one PC, and one of the sound cards is remotely connected using a USB server across the network. And it's just a matter of using the Windows feature of listening to the device to be able to connect the two sound cards together. So when the audio comes in and goes into the first sound card, it gets converted and then sent down through the LAN to the other sound card, where it gets converted back into analog audio and then out. And same with the other direction. If you go into your sound settings and come over to the recordings, when you pick the device, you can come in here to the properties and have it listen, and then pick the remote, the other sound card to play back through. And I found that setting the levels generally just to 100 on both sides works the best, and the same with on the playback. And there is a program that you can use to look at the sounds on your sound card. It's called Sound Card Oscilloscope here. Let me minimize it here so you can see it better. And it's got features where you can pick whatever microphone that you have in and be able to look at the audio. So that's a convenient feature to have. But the basic use of it is made most available by the SX virtual link here, which is the little device that gives you the Silex DS510 here, that gives you the virtual USB connection. Most of these are used for printer servers, but you can use it for any other kind of USB device. The one caveat about using this is that it is a little bandwidth hoggy. If you look at the at your use here, anytime you have the sound card enabled, even if there's no audio whatsoever, it draws. You can see it uses a steady 1.8 in both directions as long as it's connected. But it's a great way to just get audio from one point to the other without having to go through a whole lot of troubles. And the other cool thing about it is that because this program knows the MAC address of the server here. You can have both your PC and the server on DHCP, so they can get assigned random IP addresses, and they'll still be able to find each other no matter what IP addresses they have, as long as they're on the same LAN. So that's another cool feature about it. But okay, this is your basic setup. I'm sure if you got some more expensive sound cards, you could do a little bit more quality control on the levels and stuff. But for all intents and purposes, it works great. So, all right, that's it. We'll talk to you soon.